And here we are, a different day at the park after it rained again. Ugh. Yeah. You probably can't see over there with the sun. I'll have to walk over there. I don't know what all that stuff is. Ew. Stepping in the water. You're not supposed to fall in the water there, girlie. Ay. Children. Ew. I'm literally stepping in the water here. Farther down a little bit. Here, let's see if I can get to the road here. Yeah. Now, at least it's shady over here. You'll be able to see now. And there is the whole park full of water. You can't tell that I am walking in water. It actually does feel really gross. So, yeah. Now you can tell I'm walking in the water. Yeah. Ew. Yuck. And my lovely children in the water. Kids will be kids. And she left a little right behind her. Hi. that felt wonderful. And there's the other one.